Understanding, to put it mildly, simplifying complex English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, to put it mildly. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers often use understatement to express their thoughts. Stay with us to find out more about how and when to use this phrase in your everyday conversations. To put it mildly is a phrase used to indicate that you are expressing something in a gentle or less direct way. It's often used when the reality of the situation is harsher or more extreme than the words you are choosing to use. For example, if you say, "The weather is, to put it mildly, unpleasant," you actually mean that the weather is very bad, but you're choosing to express it in a more subdued way. This phrase is typically used in formal or semi-formal contexts and can add a touch of sophistication to your speech. It's perfect for situations where you want to soften a criticism or when you're trying to be diplomatic about a sensitive topic. For instance, if you disagree with someone's opinion, instead of directly saying they're wrong, you could say, "To put it mildly, I have a different perspective." Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. The movie was, to put it mildly, a bit disappointing. Here, the speaker is likely suggesting that the movie was very disappointing. 2. His response was, to put it mildly, surprising. This implies that his response was actually shocking or unexpected. When using, to put it mildly, be careful not to overuse it in casual conversations, as it can sound overly formal. Also, ensure that the context is appropriate for understatement. Using it in a situation that requires directness or clarity might lead to misunderstandings. To put it mildly is a useful phrase for adding nuance and subtlety to your English. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, learning these phrases can add depth to your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.